Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this cooking kit in Grow a Garden Beanstalk update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Even though the cooking update is over, you can still cook on your garden using this cooking kit. And if you want to unlock this cooking kit, you need to complete the common achievement. You can go to your garden guide. Wait, let me open the garden guide book. Okay, this one, and then you can go to the achievements. Okay, wait guys, select the achievements, and then you're going to complete the common achievements. And after you have completed this common achievements, you will unlock this cooking kit and also the silver common seed pack. Okay, and then you can place the cooking kit on your garden. You can go to your cosmetic inventory, and then you can place the cooking kit here on your garden. And you can also sell the food you have cooked up. You can go to the sell, and then you're going to go to the food items, and as you can see, I have cooked this hot dog, and I'm going to sell it to the NPC. Okay, so you can earn money from the food you have cooked up, guys. Not only from the fruits, but also from the food. You can earn shekels. Okay, guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.